Hello dear students, hope so you all are fine and well. Again continuing with the same chapter 3, that's glimpse of past, as we have completed the 6th topic of this part and today is the 3rd part of our video. So let us continue with the 7th part and see what does the part 7 says. As in the previous part we have seen that the Englishman named Macaulay suggested a change, that he wanted a change, that the education in India which was going in Persian and Sanskrit was changed to English language, and Rajaram Mohan Roy asked for the education of their brothers, means ke education for our Indians, but later this all was despised by the Britishers and also the newspaper was banned. So now let us see what happens. After all these things, the sparks began, and the 7th topic of our chapter says that the sparks in 1855 to 57. Here comes the taxes continued to ruin the peasants in Bengal. The Santals who had lost their lands under new land rules became desperate. In 1855 they rose in rebellion and massacred Europeans and their supports alike. What does it say? That the taxes continued with the taxes which were still continued on the land laborers, the Indians. Now all of Indians have lost their land and they were under the rule of this Britishers, and now this became a desperate for the Indians. So now here begins a war between Europeans and Indians. Discontent was brewing in the East India Company as army too. The white soldiers gave huge pay mentioned to live in servants. Now what the Europeans demanded for that the land laborers who has become the landless or Indians, now they have to live as a servant of Britishers, and for that they were paying a huge amount. While we get a petition and slow promotion, the Angles ask us to cross the sea, which is against our religion. Who is the Topiwala to abolish our age-old custom? Now, what does the Europeans ask to Indians? That they have to cross the sea. They have to cross the sea. But the Indians were really aggressive now, and they were saying that who are this Topiwala? Means कि who are this Britishers who are asking us to abolish our age old custom, मतलब कि जो हमारी पुरानी रीति रिवाज है उसको abolish करने वाले, who are this Britishers. Thousands of other sepoys revolted. They were stripped of their uniform. Now many of the sepoys of Indians who has revolt against the Europeans, they were now stripped of their uniforms, मतलब कि उनको उनके काम से निकाल दिया था, मतलब कि स्ट्रिप्ड आउट मतलब कि निकाल देना, स्ट्रिप्ड ऑफ देयर यूनिफॉर्म्स. सिपाही मंगल पांडे अटैक्ड द एजेंट ऑफ हिज regiment and was executed. Now Mangal Pandey who moved forward, but he was later attacked and he was executed. He says that we must drive out the Angles. Now Mangal Pandey was very much stood up his place, and he says that he wants to remove all these Europeans from Indian, but he was executed. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian customs or the people's mind. Now जैसे हम प्रीवियस पार्ट में देखा था कि कुछ इंडियन जो ब्रिटिश की लालच में आ गए थे और उनकी वजह से हमें बहुत कुछ नुकसान हुआ था, वैसे ही ब्रिटिशर्स में भी कुछ इंग्लिशमैन ऐसे थे जो हम इंडियंस को समझते थे, कस्टम को, उनके माइंड को. सो सम फ्यू ऑफ इंग्लिशमैन हैड केयर्ड, मतलब उन्होंने केयर की टू अंडरस्टैंड द इंडियन. ओ प्राउड ब्राह्मण सोल्जर, डू यू नो that the grease on the bullet you have to be bite is made from the fat of cows and pigs? Now what are they saying? That Indians who are Brahmins, they don't touch or they don't accept non-veg, but this Englishman, they knew that this is the weak point, and so what did they do? They said that do you know that the grease on the bullet, the grease which is applied on the bullet, that is made up of what? That is made up of fat of cow and pigs. Then the Indian says what? cruel deeds which was really not accepted by the Indians. They were now frustrated, and then later what happens, they all abolish the Britishers. Now in the next picture we can see here, soon chapatis were sent from village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their services. Now what goes here, that all the Indians send a chapatis, matlab in the sense of messages that they need a help from other village people and they want their services. Now all did they agreed and say, yes, all my village men will be ready. Through this chapati, through this tackle, they asked for the help from the other village people. Similarly, lotus flower circulated among Indian soldiers. Now for sending a message, they also used a lotus flower among the Indian soldiers. Now later on, this all Indians, as we have seen that unity makes a great gain. So here all the Indians together, they fought against the Britishers, and finally they found the death of the foreigner. The masses gave all the help and shelter to the patriots. Now what was happened, that all the Indian soldiers were given the shelter and also food and the help they need by the masses. So here we can see that how cruel did the Englishman or the Britishers had done to our Indians. Now later what happens in the topic number 8, that is revolt in 1857. Let us see the topic. Now here Meerut is a place where again the violent outbreak. What is said here, that then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. When all the villagers asked for help for each other, then here in Meerut there was also a violence. The rebellion spread wider. Now later on what happens, all the rebellions, they were spread over everywhere. Now the sepoys marched to Delhi. Now all the sepoys of our Indians, they have moved towards Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. Many landlords have lost their lands because of the British policies and they were sore. Now all the Indians, they have gone to Bahadur Shah and they had asked the shelter to Bahadur Shah while saying that we all land laborers, we all have lost our lands because of this British policies. Now the white man's rule must end. The all Indians who had gone to Bahadur Shah, they were asking that now all this white man's rule must end. We are literally very much hurt and we are lost everything, and everything was under the rule of Britishers. So the Bahadur Shah says that yes, we will help you. So in the 8th topic, as we can say, somewhat satisfaction given by the Bahadur Shah, and who agreed to help or who convinced for the help of the Indians over the Britishers. Now in the 9th part, we see the fight for freedom in 1857. So here a new character has been described or depicted here. The character we are seeing here, that is Begum Hasrat. So what does she says? Many former rulers like Begum Hasrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. Now Begum Hasrat was also dissatisfied with all these foreigners and their policies which they played, or whatever politics they have been played. Now what does he says? Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah and Faizabad told the people, rise brother rise, the anger is running our land. What does they say? That we have to raise ourselves, we have to have power ourselves, and we have to strip out these Britishers from our own land, that is Indian land. So they joined the unspread against the foreigners. Now these all are in one. Now these all are united. So they all joined and now they all are ready for the war to fight for the freedom. The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad, etc. All the peoples, now all the Indians are one and they are ready for the fight for freedom. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence. Now here Peshwa Nana Sahib was selected as a leader of the war for the independence, which was advised by Azimullah Khan, and the message was sent by Tatya Tope. 80 years old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Now here comes one more character, that is Kunwar Singh of Bihar. He was having a bullet in his wrist. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. He says now he was going to shoot someone. So he is saying that this is my last offering to you. The patriots pounced upon the Britishers and fought pitched battle all over North India. Now all those characters which are depicted in this chapter, now all those characters, they fight and unitedly they won the independence, they fought for the freedom, and because of such all these leaders we are here free, and the India is we Indians are independent only because such of the great characters, such of the great leaders of our India. So thanks to all those leaders, we are sitting freely and we are having independence, freedom of such a cruel Britishers. So hope so you are clear with this chapter, the characters which are described over here. Please students, go through the chapter and read the chapter thoroughly so that you can get it more clear. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.